Interbike 2014 is sure to deliver a slew of new products and exciting tech news, but one of the most talked about bikes of the season will not be there, the Emonda, a new platform aimed squarely at the all-around racer. But Trek has ascended to an ethereal place where they no longer need to concern themselves with trade shows. So we're going to bring you a look at what makes the bike special right here. The new Emonda is all about the weight of the total package, which is, after all, the only weight that actually matters on the road. Their Emonda SLR10 blew people away with a claimed weight of 10.25 pounds for a complete 56 centimeter. But for over $15,000, almost anyone can deliver a 10-pound bike. Of the 21 available Emonda builds, it was the SLR8 that impressed us the most. Not only is it the best truck we've ever ridden, it sets an impressive standard on the scale with a very realistic, livable build. It all begins with the Emonda SLR frame. It's the same frame used with the 10-pound SLR10 build and features many things Trek is famous for. 700 series OCLV carbon, E2 head tube and fork, ride-tuned seat mast, BB90, duo trap. Attention to detail also helped Trek get weight down. Bottom bracket cable guides are molded in and weigh less than a gram. The front derailleur mount is also molded in, dropouts are molded in, and building the entire thing in-house in Waterloo, Wisconsin doesn't hurt. Final combined frame and fork weight is 970 grams. Trek now had one of the lightest platforms on the road, but they didn't stop there. The SLR8 features a full Dura-Ace mechanical build at just over 2,000 grams, shaving a few bucks, if not grams, off the bike. The ride-tuned seat mast is 155 grams, a lighter solution than a traditional post. And the cockpit features a mix of super light 190-gram XXX Bontrager carbon bars and a fairly standard 137-gram Race X Lite stem. At 170 grams, the Paradigm RXL saddle isn't the lightest in Bontrager's arsenal. The XXX version is 20 grams lighter. The wheels are tubeless ready Race X Lite alloy clinchers. At 1,440 grams, these are durable enough to be everyday riders, but still perform at a very high level. So what's the tale of the tape? Our 58cm Emonda SLR8 with Mavic SLR pedals and Pro carbon cages clocked in at 14.2 pounds, almost a pound under the UCI minimum. How does that stack up to the competition? A 2015 Tarmac 58cm with Dura-Ace mechanical is 15.2 pounds with the same pedals and cages and costs $8,250. The vaunted Cervelo RCA with the Dura-Ace Di2 and Zip 303s we tested was 14.5 pounds with pedals and cages, and that's $10,000 just for the frame. What is most impressive about the Emonda SLR8 is not how light it is, but how light it is with a build that doesn't need any gimmicks or one-off trick parts. It's a very standard build, ready for everyday riding. In fact, the only thing we would change are the tires. The Bontrager R4s are a pure race day tire with no puncture protection to speak of. When grams to dollars is the metric, the $7,450 Trek Emonda SLR8 is now at the top of the list.